Hey, it's Matt here from ViewfinderMastery, and I just wanted to share some moody, melancholy shots that were taken by our members who worked on the Moody Blues photo challenge back in March. And for this challenge, we asked our members to tap into the vibes that come with those bluesy, atmospheric kind of images. And it made for a really fun conversation over in our group, as well as some interesting feedback on their work. And here's a few excerpts from the critique video that Jesse and I just recently shared with the group. If the challenge makes you scratch your head a little bit, then I think we're on the right track. Moody Blues could be interpreted so many ways.
She just has a really good eye and stopped in the right spot.
I just thought it was a fun way to kick things off, you know? Shoot a shot, upload it early, get the conversation going.
I do think it's a really nice example of this assignment, really well executed.
Yeah, it's got that kind of melancholic, moody feeling. Definitely a prime example of Moody Blues.
It has sort of a darker, moodier feeling to it. So I think Nicole did a nice job of sort of capturing some feeling in this photo.
I can't really call it a creepy castle because this castle actually looks pretty nice during the day, but I think the blue atmosphere has helped make it look a little bit creepier. That's the beauty of Moody Blues, right?
Yeah.
So a big congratulations to our members who participated in March's Moody Blues Challenge. We can't wait, by the way, to see where the April challenge, Signs of Spring, takes you. Hey, if you're not already a member yet, but you're wanting to build your confidence and find your creative mojo, then why not join us over at ViewfinderMastery.com? Not only do we deliver fun, new, high-quality photography lessons every month, but we also give you the feedback and the support that you need to take your photography further. It's more fun to learn together, and you're gonna love being a part of this group. And hey, if you join now, there's still time to get involved and capture your own signs of spring, and we would love to see where the creative spirit takes you too. All the best to you, and we hope to see you inside.